Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to add friends in Monopoly Go. So as you can see here, I'm in game, and all you have to do is tap on the friends icon at the bottom right. Once you click on that, you'll be given three options on how you can add friends. First option is through contacts. You'll be given 30 dice as well as a reward. Now, once you click on it, you'll be asked for your phone number and it will ask permission to access your phone contact list. And if your contacts has also added their phone number on Monopoly Go, then they'll be added automatically on your friends list here. Now, second option is through Facebook. So you'll have to connect your Facebook account. Then all your Facebook friends who play Monopoly Go are then added to your list. Last but not least is through the invite button. So once you tap on that, you'll be given two options. You can either tap the orange button or the blue button. The blue button is through sending on your messenger. And the orange one would be, it will give you an option to copy the link and you can send it manually to them, or you can directly send them through social media apps. And once they click that link and set up their Monopoly Go, then they'll be added to your timeline here. And that's it. That's how you add friends in Monopoly Go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.